All right, guys. So I got another one for you today. I was moving some stuff around in my shop, and I thought I would let you in on another tip, couple tips. Um, Again, not having really use of my lower body, um, my legs at all, but no core support or anything. A lot of times, it's very hard to lift anything off from the ground, especially something of substantial weight. Um, so I have multiple lifts. I don't know. I had shown a video a while back of lifting a toolbox with an old Hoyer patient lift. I've since got rid of that. I regifted that to another person to be able to do the same thing. But I have these engine hoists, and those can lift, upwards of like 1,000 to 2,000 pounds. So plenty of anything I may need. So like this brake assembly here, the spindle assembly for my truck, um, that's going to go in here hopefully at some point soon. But anyway, it was way too heavy for me to lift up and put onto the into the bin itself, without some assistance. So here's meet my assistant. Um, anyway, uh, so lifting things like engine blocks, anything heavy, I can do that with. I've got some short straps and things like that to attach, and then I just lift it and I put it in. The other tip is that basically everything I put on wheels, because obviously when you're on wheels and you're trying to move stuff around, you have a hard time doing so. You're going to move and it's not. A lot of times, even when something is on wheels, in a wheelchair, your wheelchair moves easier, and so you kind of struggle with, especially inexpensive furniture dollies. If you get the cheapy stuff or whatnot. But I put almost everything I can on wheels so that I can move it around. This is also a kind of a space saving thing. I don't know if that's necessarily the right word, but I'm very limited in the amount of space that I have, and so sometimes I have to stack things or layer them in a way that I may have to move some things around to get to something else that I need. So here in this area, I've tried to be as organized as I can, and I'm still working there. I'm a bit of a collector, so I have a few things. Anyway, so again, the bin is on wheels, the engine stand, engine lift is on wheels. All my toolboxes are on wheels. Again, as much as I can is put on wheels. So there's two more little tricks that you can hopefully use and be able to help you get along. And I'll keep doing more as long as you guys like them. Peace.